What's up, guys? It has been a long time since I've done this. I don't even remember the last time I posted a video. I haven't even checked. We're not gonna get into that today, and I know this is kind of a weird video to come back with because I think I've done maybe one clothing haul my entire YouTube career. I was just overthinking way too hard about what video to like come back with, I guess. I wanted to do something lighthearted, and I love watching clothing hauls. That's like my most watched thing on YouTube. I do want to say that I have been pre-filming. I have 4 videos pre-filmed, and I did that because I wanted to wait to come back until I had videos lined up, just so that I wouldn't feel stressed out to film every day, edit every day, and I would have some time in between to just kind of breathe. But also let me know down in the comments what you want to see from me, because at this point it's like I don't even know what to film anymore. And that's part of the reason why it's just been so long since I've come back, because I have no idea what to do. Also, one more thing before everybody clocks me. Yes, this is obviously a wig. I don't know anything about wigs. I don't know how to blend my lace, so it looks horrible. This whole video I'm like pulling it down. But I was having a bad hair day, and I was not about to let that ruin another video for me. If you guys have any tips on how to blend the lace or just make wigs look more natural, please let me know, because I was struggling today. So if you guys want to see me try on everything that I got, and by the way, this is not sponsored. Fashion Nova doesn't know who I am. I did buy everything with my own money, so just letting you guys know that. And yeah, if you guys want to see me try on everything, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna try and go through these pretty fast because there's so many of them. So if I start talking really fast, I'm sorry. But the first thing I got are these pants right here. These are called the Fling Flare Tie Waist Pants. I got an extra small and they were $34.99. They're super wide legged. I love flare pants. I think they're so cute. And then this is the tie waist, so you can tie it in the front, on the side. I kind of like it on the side more, but yeah, they're super comfy and super stretchy, so I love these. And then I got this romper. This is the It's Innocent Ruffle romper. It's super cute. It's like a sage green color, and it's really short, but I like the way that short rompers look, especially because I'm pretty short, so they make my legs look longer. It zips up in the back here, and it was a little awkward the first time I put it on, but I just tied the front tighter and it fit a little bit better. It does show a little bit of underboob under this thing, but I just kind of bunched this up so it doesn't show that, and then it works fine. I also got this Metallica t-shirt, and I love the wash of this. I think it's so cool. This is called the Metallica The Shortest Straw t-shirt. I got a small in this, and it was $15, which is pretty good for a band tee. Usually they're like $40, but it's really soft, and I love the way it fits. It's not super stiff, so it kind of like hugs your body right. I love wearing these big band tees as just like a t-shirt dress with sneakers. I think it looks really cute. I also got this other Metallica tee, and this one is cropped, a little bit smaller. I love this. I've worn this twice already, so it's probably full of dog hair. And what I did with this is I tied it right here. It's very soft too. I basically live in band tees, so I should probably stop buying them, but this one was just too cute not to. And then I got this super cute crop top. It's coming off a little bit more orangey on screen, but it's kind of like pink coral. But I love this. It's really comfy. The sleeves are sheer and the back is sheer. When I tried this on in the try-on haul, I wore a bra under this, and I probably wouldn't wear a bra if I was just like actually wearing it, because you could see the bra underneath this and you could see it through the back. So yeah, I probably wouldn't do that. This is called the Look My Way crop top. I got a size small in this, and it fits perfect. This is another romper I got, and on camera, I don't know why my colors are showing up so weird, but this is like a true blue red, not orange. And you can see through it a lot on this, but I promise you can't see through it when it's on. It's pretty short, and then the back of it ties up, so it's a little bit difficult to put it on yourself, I find at least, but this is adorable. I'm super happy I got this. And by the way, this is called the Daydreaming About This romper, and I got a size extra small. Next, I got these shorts. They're kind of like festival shorts. They're black suede with all these little fringy things on the sides. They would even be cute with this t-shirt. I think stuff like this looks really cute with band tees or vintage tees, anything like that. I don't know where I'm gonna wear these, but I really like them, and they're super comfy. They're pretty stretchy, but they are a little short in the back, so I do find myself having to like pull them down a lot when I try them on. But these are called the Sundance Fringe shorts, and again, I got an extra small. Then I finally got this skirt. I've been eyeing this down for so long, and it's always sold out, but I finally got it, and I love it. It's just really tight. It's not very stretchy, so it's a little bit of a workout putting on. It has a working belt, which is nice because sometimes when I buy skirts, they stick up like above my butt, and so I like to have a belt with them where I can tighten that around the waist. But I did get an extra small. I could probably size up to a small just because it literally squishes my butt like a pancake. Yeah, that's the only problem with this, but I do think it's really cute, especially I love wearing leather skirts with band tees again. And I got 4 pairs of jeans, so I'm just gonna go through those right now. I'll start with these ones because I've already worn these. Tag isn't on here anymore, but I will put the name of them up on the screen. But this is what they look like. They're kind of like mid-rise. They're not super high-waisted, but they make your butt look really good. The legs are kind of destroyed. I just think they're really comfy, and I love the color of them, the wash of them. They just hug you in all the right places, so I'm really happy with these ones. And then these are the next ones I got. They kind of look the same, except they're not destroyed. They're just plain pants. These are called the stirred up ankle jeans. I got a size 0, and I really like these too. They make your butt look really good. They're not super high-waisted again. They're more of like a mid-rise. These ones aren't as stretchy as the other ones I got. These ones are probably the stiffest, I would say, but I don't mind when jeans are a little bit stiffer, like don't have as much give, because I feel like they just suck everything in. These next jeans I'm really excited about. I don't think anybody understands how long I've been waiting for flare jeans to come back. I love these. They're super flared at the bottom. The front of it has 5 buttons instead of a zipper, and they're really high-waisted, so just beware of that, but I think they're adorable. I'm probably gonna have to hem the bottoms of them though, because they're really, really long on me. And then these next jeans I love as well. I don't have a lot of darker skinny jeans. Most of the jeans that I wear are really light washed and destroyed. I think these ones, out of all the jeans that I got, make the booty look the best, just because they're a little bit tighter, but they're also really stretchy. So I don't know, I feel like they just hug you really nice. And there's also some little tiny details of destroying on them. I like the bottoms of them, how they're kind of like a raw cut edge. I got this kind of a more basic tank top. I like this a lot because it's not a crop top, and I don't know why, but it's really hard to find shirts that aren't crop tops anymore. It's like they're either super long and oversized or cropped. So it's nice to have a tank top that isn't gonna show like my entire stomach. You can tie the front, and then this is all tight with ruffles in the bottom. It just makes your frame look really nice. Plus it's black, so it matches everything. I got a bunch of skirts and shorts. So I'm gonna try and fly through these ones. The first one is this. It's called the HairViVi SKORT. I got an extra small in this. So it is a skirt, but there's shorts underneath it, which is really nice because, you know, if a gust of wind comes, you don't wanna give the whole town a sneak peek. But I really like this. It's really basic, but I think it's cute and it fits really nice. But I think this would be really cute with a bodysuit, and it's just basic, so you can pair it with anything. But yeah, I really like the way it fits, and it's very comfy and stretchy. And then I got these shorts, which would have been so cute, but it's so weird because I've never had broken clothes come from Fashion Nova, but there's a hole in the side of it. These are called the Cool for the Summer tie waist shorts. I got an extra small in these. So that sucks. I totally would have worn these. I think they're really cute. But also they are pretty see-through, I will say. So you would definitely have to wear like nude shorts under this or nude underwear. And then I got these adorable, they're like crochet shorts. So there's 2 ties up here, and the bottoms have these little mirrored things. Oh, I just think they're so cute. I'm obsessed with these. These are called the Crystal COVE Fringe shorts. Now, the only problem with these is that all 3 of them fit really differently. And I got the same size in all of them, but these ones are the biggest. They're the easiest to get on and the loosest. These ones, I couldn't even get these above my thighs. I don't know what it was, but this crochet part right here just wouldn't stretch. By the way, anything that I'm not keeping out of this haul will be on my Poshmark, so keep an eye out for that. And then these ones fit pretty perfectly, which I'm happy about because they're the white ones, they match everything. And then also the bodysuit that I'm wearing with those white ones in the try-on is this, the Don't Be So Square bodysuit in brick red, and I got an extra small. I really, really like this bodysuit. It has a thong bottom with a snap closure, and it's really stretchy, and it's kind of like that slinky material, so it's really soft. Okay, then I also got these striped little shorties. These are called the Forever on Vacation tie waist shorts in the color Rust, and I got a size small. I love the waist on them. They're very comfortable. It isn't a functioning tie waist though, like it's only right here. The drawstring doesn't go all the way around, but I like that when you tie it, it has that paper bag. Cannot say that without my Minnesota accent coming through. Yeah, I think these would be cute with like a white bodysuit underneath or something simple. I also got these shorts. They're supposed to look like a skirt, but these are huge on me. I tried to make these work for a hot minute, but it's just like the waistline was too big, and it would only work if I put them down really low, but then I don't know, I just do not like the way low-rise things look on me. So when I tied it really tight, it kind of worked, but probably won't wear these though. I'm most likely gonna post them on my Poshmark because it's just a little bit too much of a hassle to get them to look right. Other than that, I mean, they would be cute if they fit, but yeah. And then I have this other skirt. This one, again, was way too big on me. It fits my hips if I put it down like the other one, but I'm not gonna do that. It just looks horrible on me. But it was just a little bit too big on me. So again, these ones will be on my Poshmark as well. I forgot to show these earlier. These are another pair of black striped pants. They're basically the same as the first ones, except these ones are skinny at the ankles and they're a little bit, where's the front of them? So they're a little bit poofier and baggier up in the hip area, and I like the other pants more. I feel like they just work better on my body shape. And the fabric is a little bit different too. I feel like it's noisier and thicker. And by the way, these are called the MARCELA pants, and I got a size extra small on these. And then I got this super pretty high-low dress that has a belt that goes across. I don't know how this is already dirty. I literally just got it. But this is called the SORAYA high-low dress in ivory, and this is an extra small. Now, this one I will say, first of all, the belt is like super stiff, but putting this on is not fun. There's these wires right here, and when you're putting this on, so if you pull it up from the bottom, the wires kind of like stick into your rib cage, but once you get past that, you don't feel them at all once it's actually on. But I still think it's really cute. I actually got this for Hawaii. We're not even going till December, but I like to plan ahead. I got a couple bodysuits here. So the first one I got is this striped one. I don't know where all of my tags go. I don't ever take my tags off, but for some reason it's not on here. These ones have a cheeky bottom, which I don't love. I like my bodysuits to have thong bottoms because then you can't see them through your pants. I think it'd be cute with like black pants or even a skirt. I don't know. I think it's cute though. This one is just a plain black bodysuit, but it's ruched down the center. I like basic bodysuits, basic anything really, with just a little bit of detail to make it different. So I really like this ruched effect down here. And this one again is a cheeky butt, which I don't love, but again, I can make it work. And then I got this bodysuit, which I love. It's a little bit different and it's a little risque, but I think it's really cute. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. I literally don't even leave the house. I like that it's ribbed, it's nice and tight. You can adjust these and make it tighter around here. Yeah, now I just need to figure out where to wear this. I did get an extra small on this, but I don't know what the name of it is, so I'll leave it on the screen. I also got this little white cover up. When I was looking at it online, it was like a pure white, and this is definitely more, it's kind of like a dark cream, but the sleeves are little like George Washington sleeves, and it ties right here. I don't even remember what I tried this on with when I was doing the try-on video, but I'd probably wear this with either a swimsuit or a white lace bandeau, not bandeau, like bralette top. I think that'd be cute. This one is called the Out and Open top in ivory, and I got an extra small on this. Then we have this really pretty metallic kind of pink champagne color dress. Again, no idea when or where I'm gonna wear this. It's really tight, so it really shows off your curves and it holds everything in. The only thing is that it's not see-through up here, which is weird, but it's see-through from the waist down. So you can definitely see your underwear through this. You'd have to wear nude Spanx or something. This one's called the She Shining Metallic Mini Dress in Rose Gold, and I got an extra small in this one. And then this one isn't very summery, but I actually got this to wear in court, but then it came and it ended up being really, really low cut, so can't wear that. It was actually really hard to try this on in my video because I was wearing a lacy bralette and it was just a little bit too revealing, so I kept trying to like cover my area with that. So when I actually do wear this, I will wear just like a tank top underneath it, but other than that, I think it's really cute. It ties at the sleeves and at the waist, so it's very form-fitting, and I like the fabric. It's sheer and light. And then I got this neon orange active top. It ties right in the middle. I got this to wear to the gym. I really like it. It has stripes on the side. It's really light and airy, so it will be nice for the gym. This one's called the Right or Not active top, neon orange in extra small. Then I just got this basic nude square neck tank. This is the Amy crop top in mocha, and I got a size extra small on this. This is nice, but I don't love it. So that's everything for my huge Fashion Nova summer haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, I'm so sorry for just leaving and not saying anything again. This is the 4th video that I've pre-filmed, so after this I do have 3 more that are pre-filmed, so hopefully that'll give me enough time to not make myself film like back to back to back and then wear myself out. But yeah, I feel like I'm rambling, so again, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.